Hey, my cookies. Today we are going to be making my favorite chicken sandwich that I don't even have a name for. Yeah, it's just good. Let's do it. Starting with the veggies, you want to use as much onion and bell pepper as you like. As you see, I have different colors. You can use whatever color you have. This is just what I had in the fridge. Just slice it thinly, and I also have some minced garlic. Here's my chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and these are 3 breasts here that I've cut very thinly. I'm gonna season it with poultry seasoning, onion powder, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Mix it together well, and here you can see how thin I've sliced it. Over at the stove, we want to heat some vegetable oil in a pan. Go ahead and swirl it around a bit. Coat the bottom of the pan really well. Get it nice and hot. And let me know what you guys think about my new lighting. Y'all like it? Yeah or nay? Let me know. When it's hot, we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken. Just toss it in there, spread it out. And we are going to start to saute the chicken. Just kind of stir it around. Once you see that it turns white on one side, that means it's cooked halfway through. We can go ahead and add in our veggies with the peppers, the onion, and that garlic. Get it in there. Now you kind of want to stir everything around just a little bit. Make sure it's good and incorporated. Then we're going to turn that heat down to about a medium low setting. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes, you can remove the lid, and as you can see, the chicken is cooked, but you have a little bit of liquid left in the bottom of that pan. Just go ahead and stir it around and allow it to cook a little bit longer, just until that liquid reduces and evaporates. Then we can head over to our bread. I'm using Italian loaf bread. I normally use French bread, but this is all they had. It's close enough. Use whatever you can find. And I just sliced it lengthwise, not all the way through. I leave the bottom portion of the bread attached. And I also added mayo. If you don't like mayo, you don't have to use it, but I spreaded that on. Now we add on our cheese. And guys, you need Muenster cheese. All right, just add those slices to the bottom and then top it with that hot chicken mixture. Then we're gonna add more of that cheese on top. Yeah, I don't know, y'all, these flavors just work. You gotta trust me. You have to try this. Okay, once we have the cheese on, go ahead and close the sandwich up a bit, and now we're going to heat and bake on 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and melty like this. And that is it. The recipe will be down there in the description box. Check out all of those ingredients. If you'd like, you can sprinkle on a little bit of Italian seasoning like I did. Yes, the sandwich is so doggone good. Go ahead and make sure you slice it as thick as you want, especially if you have guests over, because if you let them do it, they're going to take too big of a piece and you're going to cuss. All right. So that is it, guys, for my favorite chicken sandwich. And of course, you've got to have the Ruffles cheddar and sour cream chips. It just go together. I'm gonna bite this. All right. I got to eat. Until next time, be blessed.